This is the video to go over the warm-up, and then the video that's also going to have the key for the homework in it. You'll use a separate video for the lesson today. So you have a warm-up in front of you. Pause the video and don't come back to it until you've actually tried the warm-up and double-checked with a table partner for ideas showing all your algebra. If you're back to check. So, equation for the altitude, and you can see that altitude being sketched in blue. The details about what an altitude does are written in blue over underneath, so I could think about what information the altitude gives and then where the algebra fits in. And then circled in red is the equation, or an equation for the altitude. For number 2, the median, again, sketched in green so that I can think about what it contains, the midpoint to a vertex. And then I want to calculate each of those things, again, labeling things as I go, find the slope between those 2 points, and then come up with a valid linear equation for it. And finally, the key from UAS 5, and I'm just going to slowly kind of scroll down the screen. Be sure again to show algebra, indicate what the meanings are, just kind of go slowly down the way for ones you might need. And again, when it says or, you don't need all those forms, you just have choices. Be sure for the ones that come later that are about altitudes and medians that you're really showing all the steps that get you there. Maybe a rough sketch of the triangle, not getting out full graph paper because that takes so long, but a rough sketch of the triangle. Then work with table partners for a few minutes on deciphering what else you need to about this one before turning it in.